Hi everyone. Today I'm back out here in front of you all, mainly to update you something about tourism. Okay, there is a little bit of change in tourism of Bhutan nowadays. So basically, I'm here to tell you that now today there was a opening session of third session of third Parliament of Bhutan, and our National Assembly of Bhutan has introduced a new bill. Okay, and the bill was about tourism levy assumption exemption amendment act of Bhutan 2020. Okay, and basically, right, from 1974 till present, all the tourists has been charged 65 US dollar whenever they come out here. Okay, and that was the tax. And apart from that one, they have to pay 65 2 250 US dollar daily. Okay, and 65 is separately from that 250. Okay, but there were three countries, namely India, Bangladesh, then Maldives. These were the three countries who were exempted from those tax. Okay, but now what we are trying to do is, now we're gonna charge those three countries as well. But uh, so but when I say we're gonna charge them, the bill is not been passed on. It is still in the process of discussion, and basically our government is waiting for the response from the public as well. So I guess once the session is over, it will be implemented, or maybe it may not pass as well. So let's hope and let's see what happens. So let me tell you like what is gonna be the change out here is. So these three countries, the India, Maldives, and then the Bangladesh. These three countries were what our new bill says is that these three countries tourists, when they come to Bhutan, they will be charged 25% of 65 USD. Okay, so when I say 65 I mean 25% of 65 USD, basically it comes around 16.25 USD. Okay, so basically it says that they will be charged 16.25 USD per day. Okay, per day whenever these tourists from these three countries, when they visit Bhutan, they will be charged 16.25 USD per day. So when I calculate in our local currency, it comes around 1137.5 nulgtrum. Okay, so right now the bill has been introduced, and I'm not sure whether it will be passed or it may not pass through. So that is the change been made, and basically our government is waiting for those public opinion. Okay, so why we are basically charging some tax from the tourists is, since our country is a very small country, and we lack so much of amenities, and our country is in the process of developing country. So when we charge them those 65 USD for all those foreigners, and then 25% of 65 USD for all those regional tourists, basically this tax will be taken by the government in the form of sustainable development fees. Okay, so what happened is, when those tourists visit our country, they will be getting a free treatment from our country, no matter what kind of disease they have, no matter what kind of injury they have, they will be given a free medical facilities. So it's for that reason. And not only that one, so that 65 USD and those things, those tax, what happens is, it is some sort of a donation for our country from those tourists. Okay, so basically you are donating some fund to our country for our well progress. Basically in our country, those tax will be used in terms of free medical facility to our all the people of Bhutan, and for free education as well. So in a way you are doing a good things. Okay, so this is the bill that has been passed today by our National Assembly of Bhutan. So let's hope whether it gets through, and if it gets through, means in a way it will control the overpopulation, not I mean overpopulated tourism, and in a way our country will be having a peaceful tourism, all those things. So let's hope. So so out here I want to ask you something, okay? Like, out here, everyone who are watching this video, you guys can just comment on the comment section whether it is a good thing to introduce the tax for the tourism or it is not a good idea. If it is a good idea, you can give your reason. If not, you can give on all your reasons, okay? So don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. I will see you. Bye.